Welcome back to another live trading video. Today's Friday. We're finishing up the week today. So today I've got this SLS on our scanners. There's a lot of stocks moving this morning, a lot of penny stocks. So I'm watching this SLS. As you can see, it's a previous run on the daily chart. It's a low flow stock and we've got a lot of people watching this. So at the open, I've got my orders ready. Same procedures, I want to see a nice push towards the pre-market highs, towards the 7 area. And I'm going to try and take this short. There's going to be a lot of profit taken on this. So the market is about to open. So let's see how this one plays out. Here we go. Market is open now. As you can see, we're getting a small push towards the 688. Watching the level 2 very closely. This is a similar trade like yesterday, like on Wednesday. Similar setup. Actually, a very, very similar setup. As you can see now, we push towards the 7. I believe I'm gonna take a short in here. Watching level 2 very closely. So as you can see now, I'm short 677 average. I believe we'll get under 650. I'm gonna try and cover up 1,000 shares. So watching the level 2 very closely. As you can see, the sellers are stacking up on the level 2 on the ask. Here we go. It looks very weak. We're only 1 minute into the open, guys, remember. So you're going to take your profits quick. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to cover up in here. Right. So that was the first little scalp on that SLS trade. It worked out to perfection. Just like the one on Wednesday, exact same setup, guys. These are very predictable, these penny stocks. That was a quick $312 gain in about a minute. Didn't take huge size. My stops were just over the 688 area if we had another push towards there. As you saw on Wednesday's trade, look at it now. It did exactly the same thing. It popped up towards the 688 to fill some more orders short, and I believe we're gonna get. I think we're gonna get under towards today, under 6 potentially. But you just never know with these penny stocks. Just take your gains, take your base hits. You don't wanna be a hero holding these too long, and just walk. There was a lot of stuff today on my watch list. SLS, CLWT was also on watch, but the problem is it wasn't tradable. So as you can see now, SLS breaking down to new lows under 630. Again, I could have held this longer. As you saw my entry at 677. Here we go. Crazy washout. The people that bought over the pre-market highs, it's dangerous move, guys. You have to learn to read level 2 and to see that these stocks are very extended and to watch the price action, which is key. You don't want to be buying at 670 pre-market high break and then you're stuck. This SLS worked out to perfection. I believe we're gonna get towards 6 and under today. So as you can see now, I've brought up this CODX that I was watching. As you can see, right at the open, we had a little pop and a flush. That's a nice 30-cent gain if you took it short. And then the red to green move, 340, it came back up. Beautiful long over the 340s. It would have been towards the 360, 65 area and sell your position into that push. This was also on my watch list on the side, but I didn't trade this because I can't trade all of these at once, as you know. I just preferred the SLS setup, which had more range and volume. As you can see, this Codex was a previous run a couple of days ago. Had a huge spike from 160s to the 460s. And today, we've had a little 2-day pullback on the daily chart. And now we're pushing up towards new highs. I believe we can probably go towards the 440, 460 area. Maybe potentially break out. It is Friday today, short squeeze Friday. So you got to be careful shorting these stocks on a Friday. So this was CODX. As you can see, I was also watching this VKTX. Here's the 1 minute chart right at the open. We had a little push and a hard fail. As you can see on the daily chart, very extended. This was another beautiful short. I mean, you could have shorted this multiple times, around the 1070, 1080 area. So I think this goes below 10 today easily. This was another trade that I was watching, VKTX. It had a huge float, and as you can see on, I think it was, what was it? Yeah, it was yesterday. It had a lot of volume yesterday, guys. It had over 35 million volume. It's a big float stock. You know, a lot of people are watching this. Here's SLS also, you know, continuing towards the $6 mark. Like I said, we can probably even fill the gap today. I'm not too sure, but you know, if you've got the patience to hold this all day, then you know, sometimes they work out. Sometimes they'll just stay flat throughout the day, and towards the end of the day, they'll make another move down. I also had this JAG-X on watch, but it wasn't tradable on my platform. You know, it's a $2 stock. I tried to stay away from stocks that are under 3. And the CLWT, as you can see, this was another great short. Previous runner, 580 fell, and a quick collapse towards the $5 area. So this was a beautiful short. It wasn't tradable on my platform, so they restricted this stock. So I couldn't trade this, but it's good to see this also working fantastically. So I think that's it, guys. I'm going to wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're stopping off here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon.